Okay, is that what you got? Anybody still struggling? Crystal, did you get that? Good. All right. Now, next thing I want to go to is what are called electron dot formulas. You want to give it a title, electron dot formulas. Okay? Electron dot formulas. Hmm? Yeah.
I'm feeling tired.
All right. Now, in electron dot formulas, what you do is let's see. I think I had a previous. Wrote it out for somebody else on the earlier class. I was just going to show it to you what I wrote. So, but if I can't find that sheet, I guess I'll have to write it out again. Oh well, such is life. Oh, here we go. All right. So for electron dot formulas, you only take the electrons in the highest primary energy level, and then you arrange them as dots around the atomic symbol. Only take the electrons in the highest primary energy level and arrange them as dots around the atomic symbol.
Is that like 5p? What are we doing there?
Well, it would 5p electrons and s electrons are part of the highest energy level. Okay, I'll show you what I mean by that in a minute. One of the reasons I had to do arsenic was to show you what I'm talking about. Everybody got that? We need to get you a motorized pencil so you can write faster? Oh.
They have those?
No. No.
Don't tell me that he'll believe you.
All right. Maybe you can be the person that invents that. All right, everybody got it? Anybody that doesn't, raise your hand. All right, well come on, let's write. Come on, let's go. Did you say you are a headache or you got a headache?
You're funny.
You know, maybe we ought to take a vote whether he's a headache or not.
I really do not care what you
And you shouldn't. And you shouldn't. There you go. There you go. There you go. All right. All right. Are we ready now? Michael, you got it done? All right, good. So let's take a look at arsenic here a minute, all right? So the highest primary energy level that we have here is the 4th primary energy level, okay? All right? This 3D sublevel is one level lower than 4, okay? So what we want to do is to count the electrons that are only in the highest primary energy level. Okay, yes, 2 and 3. So it's a total of 5 electrons. Does that make sense? All right. So for arsenic then, we're going to write the symbol arsenic, and we're going to count the number of electrons, and that's a total of 5. Then we're going to imagine a square around arsenic, an imaginary square. I want to put 1 dot on each of those 4 sides until I run out. Once I have a dot on each of the 4 sides, if I need more, I start pairing them up. Does everybody understand what I'm saying? All right. So imagine a square around arsenic, and I need 1, 2, 3, 4. I just ran out. So now I need a 5th electron, and it doesn't matter on which of the sides I put that other dot.
Right.
Right here? All right. So Nate voted for right there. That's perfectly okay.
Oh, it's a face if you look at it this way.
How about that?
Oh, shoot.
Well, ain't that supposed to be
Dude, shut up. Why can't nobody hear
6?
you? Yeah, you heard me.
2 and 3 makes 5.
No, I was looking at all the rest of them.
Oh. No, we only care about those that are in the highest primary energy level. We're kind of skipping past. We're not going to worry about 3. Not for this anyway. Okay?
I will pass your class if this is what it's about.
Well, this is before we start.
All this other stuff? No, it don't happen.
We'll get there. You'll be all right. You'll be all right. You'll do it. You'll be okay.
I
All
need
right.
to pass the safety test.
Well, you know, sometimes you got to study. All right, let's look at oxygen. We did that a minute ago. So find where we did oxygen a minute ago, okay? Find where we did oxygen a while ago. Okay? In your notes. How many of those electrons are there in the highest primary energy level of oxygen?
No.
6 of them. So in the second primary energy level here,
That looked like a 2.
6.
okay, there are a total of 6 valence electrons, okay? I count them in the orbital notation. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I count them here in the electron configurations, 2 and 4 is 6, or in this electron configuration, 2 and 4 is 6. So we're going to write the symbol for oxygen. We're going to imagine that square around oxygen and put 1 dot on each of the 4 sides. Okay? And it doesn't matter where you put the dots. Okay, I could have started on the bottom or started crisscross or something. All right? But then we want to pair them up. And again, it doesn't matter which sides you pair them up on. Okay? How about we pair it up here and here this time, okay?
What if you have one that has like 9 electrons?
You will never have 9 electrons, at least when we're doing electron dot formulas.
So you only have 8?
Only 8. 8's as far as you can go. It's called the octet rule.
Okay,
Octet meaning 8.
The fullest will be 2 dots on each side?
That's it. Now, I say that for this class in this unit. Okay, for electron dot formulas, 8 will be the maximum. But since you asked the question, there are times when we get to bonding in Unit 2. Now, I don't think we get there in CP. It happens in honors, where you expand the octet. I can't remember right this minute whether we get to that, if that happens in CP or not. I'll have to review that. But that won't happen until we get to the bonding chapter, which is bonding unit, which is Unit 3. Okay? So for right now, for electron dot formulas, 8 is the maximum. Okay? And when all the noble gases except helium have 8 dots around them. Okay? All right. Let's see. Let's find another element we've done all this stuff for.
Boron.
See, we haven't done aluminum.
Yeah, huh?
We wrote aluminum this stuff. We didn't do an electron dot formula for it.
There's already one there, isn't it? You did it already.
Oh, did I do it? No, I had an example of it, but that's over here where the definition was. We didn't do it in this class. Okay? So, count your electrons in the highest primary energy level and write an electron dot formula for aluminum.
Got it.
How about that? You got it? No. Let's put it in high gear. Come on now.
Tired.
Doesn't really matter which sides, as long as you put 1 on each side until you have 4, and then you can pair them up. Okay? Now these are the electrons in the highest primary energy level. Let me tell you where those students make mistakes. They count all the electrons.
That idiot.
Don't say that.
I mean,
They'll look at aluminum and say, oh, that's number 13. I must put 13 dots around aluminum. Well, that's not what you're supposed to do, guys. Please don't do that. Okay? And my pleading with you is I get down on one knee and plead with you, and somebody's going to do it on the test. I just hope it doesn't happen this time. Okay? Please don't do that. Okay? Please. All right?
So count all
With whipped cream and cherry on top, please.
So we get to use this on every test.
Yeah, your test references you could use on every test.